Do you know what is robotics process automation or RPA technology? Do you know how does it work? Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the world of robotic process automation RPA technology. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Robotic process automation or RPA is a technology that enables software robots or bots to automate repetitive and rule based tasks typically performed by humans. RPA software can mimic the actions of a human user, such as logging into applications, filling out forms, copying and pasting data between systems, and executing tasks based on predefined rules. RPA technology is designed to work with any application or system that has a user interface, allowing robots to interact with these systems, just like a human user would. The technology is highly scalable and can be used to automate tasks across multiple departments and systems, including finance, human resources, customer service, and IT. Business benefits of RPA. RPA has become increasingly popular in recent years as businesses seek to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Here are some of the business benefits of RPA. Cost savings. RPA helps businesses to reduce operational costs by automating repetitive tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. Increased efficiency. RPA enables businesses to automate tasks that were previously performed manually, reducing the time and effort required to complete them. This in turn increases the efficiency of business processes, allowing employees to focus on higher value tasks. Improved accuracy. RPA robots can execute tasks with 100% accuracy, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving the quality of work. This is particularly important for tasks that require a high degree of accuracy, such as data entry or financial calculations. Faster processing times. RPA robots can complete tasks much faster than humans, resulting in faster processing times and improved turnaround times for customers. Scalability. RPA is highly scalable, allowing businesses to easily expand their automation capabilities as their needs grow. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses that are looking to automate more processes over time. Compliance. RPA can help businesses to ensure compliance with regulations and standards by automating tasks that are required for compliance. This helps to reduce the risk of non compliance and associated penalties. Improved customer experience. RPA can help businesses to provide a better customer experience by reducing processing times, improving accuracy, and enabling faster responses to customer inquiries. Data analytics. RPA can help businesses to collect and analyze data more efficiently by automating data entry and processing tasks. This in turn enables businesses to make more informed decisions based on real time data. Employee satisfaction. RPA can help to reduce the workload of employees by automating repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more interesting and challenging work. This can improve employee satisfaction and reduce turnover rates. When considering RPA technology, there are several key features and capabilities that businesses need to look for. Easy to use interface. RPA technology should have a user friendly interface that allows users to easily create and manage automation workflows without the need for extensive programming knowledge. Integration with other systems. RPA technology should be able to integrate with other systems such as ERP and CRM systems to enable end to end automation of business processes. Intelligent automation. RPA technology should have the capability to incorporate artificial intelligence and machine learning to enable more intelligent automation and decision making. High accuracy and reliability. RPA technology should be able to execute tasks with high accuracy and reliability to ensure that business processes are performed correctly and consistently. Security and compliance. RPA technology should have robust security features to ensure that sensitive data is protected and should be compliant with relevant regulations and standards. Analytics and reporting. RPA technology should provide analytics and reporting capabilities to enable businesses to monitor the performance of their automation workflows and identify areas for improvement. Support and maintenance. RPA technology should have a strong support and maintenance infrastructure to ensure that any issues can be quickly resolved and that the system remains up to date with the latest technology advancements. That's it for today. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads.